All right, for part C, they say we run a test and we get a chi-square statistic of 15.157. They ask us for the p-value. So the only things we really need to worry about now is finding our degrees of freedom, because when we plug it into our calculator, right here, it's going to ask us for the lower bound, the upper bound, and the degrees of freedom. We know the lower bound is just going to be 15.157. The upper bound is always going to be positive infinity. And our degrees of freedom, remember, in a test for homogeneity, we do the number of rows minus 1 times the number of columns minus 1, okay? We have, let's see, 4 columns. So 4 minus 1 is 3. And we have 2 rows. 2 minus 1 is 1. So our number of rows is 1. Number of columns is 3. 1 times 3 gives us a degrees of freedom of 3. We plug this into our calculator. Okay, do chi-squared CDF, plug in all that number, plug in those numbers, and we get a p-value of 0.0017.